Tired of constantly wondering where your money goes? Wish you had a simple way to track your spending and budget smarter? You're not alone. That's where PocketGuard comes in. But before you can start saving, you need to know how to log in. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to access your PocketGuard account and take control of your finances. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, this guide will have you logged in and budgeting in no time. Step 1. Open the PocketGuard app. The first step, obviously, is to open the PocketGuard app on your phone or tablet. You can download it from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Once downloaded, tap the app icon to open it. Step 2. Choose your login method. You'll be presented with two main options for logging in. Email and password. If you've previously created an account, enter the email address and password associated with your PocketGuard account in the provided fields. Tap Login to proceed. Continue with Google, Apple, Facebook. For a quicker login, you can choose to sign in using your existing Google, Apple, or Facebook account. This allows PocketGuard to access some of your information to automatically populate your account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Depending on your chosen login method, you may be required to complete additional verification steps. This could include two-factor authentication. You may receive a verification code via SMS or email, which you'll need to enter to confirm your identity. Fingerprint/Face ID. If your device supports biometric authentication, you can use your fingerprint or facial recognition to quickly log in. Step 4. Grant necessary permissions. Once you've successfully logged in, PocketGuard may request access to certain information on your device, such as your contacts and location. These permissions are typically used to enhance the app's functionality, such as identifying recurring bills and suggesting nearby budget-friendly options. You can choose to grant or deny these permissions as you prefer. Troubleshooting tips. Forgot password? If you've forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and regain access to your account. Login issues? If you're experiencing trouble logging in, try checking your internet connection. Ensure you're using the correct email address and password. If the issue persists, contact PocketGuard's customer support for assistance. Bonus tip: enable automatic sync. To ensure your account is always up to date, enable automatic sync within the app settings. This will allow PocketGuard to continuously track your transactions and provide you with the most accurate financial overview. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.